Spring is literally a rebirth of nature. The gorgeous nature has her own way to showcase during spring. We can feel amazing smell of elegant flowers in the air and the beauty of their bloom. I have noticed that the full-bloomed Gulmohar tree attracts many birds. It's the time of the year when everything in nature is changing and promising of new life and new hope. One day, I was roaming around alone. The red petals falling from the Gulmohar tree made our lawn look like a red carpet. I was quite surprised to see a baby bird on the red floral carpet. I came close to it and noticed that she was helpless. I tried to do my best to help her, but at that moment, nothing came to my mind how to handle the situation. I did not want to leave her alone because some harmful birds can kill her. I started to look around for her mother, but there was no one to be seen. When I lifted her on my palm, she seemed to be very comfortable, and I got very emotional and thought that nature has given me a gift. She smiled at me, and that feeling touched my heart. I thought of taking care of it as a pet, and I named her as Princess. However, I did not want her to miss her freedom, so I made a nest for her to make her comfortable. And I placed it on a nearby tree so that her mom can come and take her away. I was watching her from a distance and waited for a long time. But to my sorrow, no one came near her, and when I went close to her, she was sad and seems to be crying. That day, my mom arranged a garden lunch for us. But I wasn't happy because Princess wasn't eating anything. So, I arranged varieties of food items like chili, sprouted moongs, carrots, corn, and small pieces of tomatoes. I gave all of them one by one, but sadly, she did not have anything. Then I realized that she is too small to swallow solid food. In a moment, I got an idea that I should feed her gram flour mixed with water. Soon I made it and gave a spoonful of it to her, and she had it with excitement. I was then elevated and fed her more and more. We both were very happy thereafter. I always try to give her a bit of exposure to nature. I am trying my best to make her happy by keeping her busy in many ways. Suddenly, I have noticed a dramatic change of weather. Monsoon clouds are knocking at the doorstep, which tells us that rain is on the way. Rain brings new life to the living things which are almost dead due to the heat of sun. Unfortunately, due to the heavy rain, I was unable to take Princess outside. It adds an attractive scenic beauty to the environment. In the meantime, she grew up to a very attractive bird. I always encouraged her to move around in the natural environment. Sometimes I observe her sitting on the tree branch for a long time, but she is so obedient that she returns home. So I tried to make her realize that if she stays with us, she will miss lots of things in life. So ultimately, one day, with a heavy heart, I helped Princess to fly away forever. Just like a bud grows to a full-bloomed flower, Princess also grew up with me from a baby bird to a young champ. This incident has left a big impact in my life, and I am very happy that I could give her the freedom that she deserves.